Chapter 4 Physical Features of India. Learning Objectives. The Northern Mountains. Land Surface of India. The Thar Desert. The Great Northern Plains. The Islands. The Peninsular Plateau. The physical features of India make it a special country. The high mountains, the lush green forests, the babbling rivers, the plains and the deserts show the diversity of our land. India is divided into following natural regions. The northern mountains. All along the north is the Great Himalayan mountain range. It is the highest mountain range in the world. The peak of most of the Himalayan mountains remain covered with snow throughout the year. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world with a height of 8,848 meters. It lies in Nepal. The other important peaks of Himalayas are Kanchenjunga, 8,598 meters, and Nanda Devi, 7,870 meters. The climate of this region is extremely cold. The famous hill stations such as Shimla, Dalhousie, Nainital and Darjeeling are located here. The famous valleys of Kashmir and Kullu Manali are also situated here. The lower region of Himalayas are covered with thick forests. This region is called Terai. The Great Northern Plains. In the northern part, you will see flat or level land. These are called the Great Northern Plains of India. These plains lie to the south of Himalayas. Many rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, Indus, Satluj flow through these plains. These rivers have made the land fertile and rich. Many crops are grown here. This region is densely populated. The plains are very hot in summer and very cold in winter. Fact file. The northern plains are the largest alluvial. The northern plains are the largest alluvial in the world, formed by the deposition of silt by the major rivers of the plains. The Thar Desert. A desert is a very large area of land covered with sand and has very little water. The northwestern part of India is a desert. It is known as the Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert. It occupies most of the western Rajasthan. This part does not receive much rainfall throughout the year. The climate is very hot and dry. The land is not suitable for cultivation. The Peninsular Plateau. The southern part of India is triangular in shape and is surrounded by seas on three sides. This type of land is called a peninsula. The Indian peninsula is surrounded by the Arabian Sea on the west and Bay of Bengal in the east. The Indian Ocean lies in the south. The Indian peninsula is also called Peninsular Plateau. A plateau is a flat, uneven land which is higher than its surrounding area. Most of the land surface is uneven and rocky here. The soil is not very fertile, but the region is very rich in minerals. Many big rivers like the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri originate in the plateau. As these rivers are rain-fed, they have very little water in summer. Sometimes they even dry up. The islands. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Two groups of islands also form a part of India. The first is Andaman and Nicobar. It is situated in the Bay of Bengal. It is a group of many big and small islands. These islands are located far away from the eastern coast. A majority of them are uninhabited and thickly forested. The northern part of these islands is called Andaman, while their southern part is called Nicobar. It is a union territory of India. Its capital is Port Blair. The other group is Lakshadweep. It consists of small horseshoe-shaped 36 islands in the Arabian Sea. They are located close to the Malabar coast. This group is also a union territory, the capital of which is Kavaratti. Fact file. Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. Points to remember. The land surface of India is not same at all places. To the north of India stands the mighty Himalayas. The great northern plains stretch from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. The northwestern part of India is desert known as the Thar Desert. The southern part of India is triangular in shape and is surrounded by seas on three sides. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands are the two groups of islands, being